What kind of actions are considered unique energy-saving actions, and what process should be followed to obtain the issuance of EECs for these? Unique energy-saving actions and obtaining EECs. Unique energy-saving actions are those that, due to their characteristics and technical particularities, cannot be included in a standard energy efficiency measure catalog sheet. For these actions to entitle the issuance of valid energy-saving certificates, or EECs, they must be implemented, and the annual energy savings obtained must be confirmed by an energy savings verifier. Process to obtain the issuance of EECs for unique actions. The process to obtain the issuance of EECs for unique actions is described below. 1. Prior voluntary consultation before carrying it out. Before executing a unique action, and provided that the expected final energy saving is greater than 1 gigawatt-hour, the obligated subject, the delegated subject, or whoever carries out the investment may voluntarily submit a project of the action to the national coordinator. The project must include at least the activities to be carried out, the expected energy savings, and the methodology used for its calculation. The project must be accompanied by a favorable prior assessment from an energy savings verifier accredited by ENAC. The national coordinator, after analyzing the documentation and the verifier's assessment, will issue a document indicating whether the project is eligible to benefit from the EEC system and whether the methodology for calculating the savings is appropriate. This prior consultation is voluntary and does not exempt from the subsequent verification of the energy saving once the action has been carried out. 2. Execution of the unique action. The unique action must be carried out in accordance with the provisions of Chapter 5 of Order TED 815/2023 of July the 18th. 3. Verification of energy savings. Once the action has been carried out, the verification of the energy savings achieved must be requested from an energy savings verifier accredited by ENAC. The documentation indicated in Article 25 of Order TED 815/2023 of July the 18th must be submitted, which includes report or technical project of the action carried out, together with its corresponding plans and annexes. Where applicable, certificate of completion of work and certificate of installation. Photographic report of the action taken. Documentation that allows confirmation of the final energy savings resulting from the execution of the unique action, specifying the final energy consumption before and after the action. 4. Application for the issuance of EECs. Once the energy saving has been verified, the application for the issuance of EECs must be submitted to the regional manager of the autonomous community where the action has been carried out. The application must be submitted through the electronic platform of the EEC system or through the electronic headquarters of the Ministry for Ecological Transition and the Demographic Challenge while the platform is not operational. The documentation indicated in Article 14 of Order TED 815/2023 of July the 18th must be attached, which includes EEC agreement, if applicable, favorable opinion of the energy savings verifier, accompanied by the corresponding verification report, supporting documentation of the performance of the action. 5. Validation of the file and issuance of EECs. The regional manager will check the documentation and, where appropriate, validate the application. If the file is correct, the regional manager will issue a favorable validation report and the corresponding EECs. The EECs will be pre-registered in the National Registry of the EEC system. Prohibition of double counting. Double counting of energy savings is expressly prohibited. If 2 or more energy efficiency actions are carried out on the same system or installation, possible interactions or overlaps must be taken into account when calculating the savings. At ILP, we are experts in advising companies and startups, especially in complying with European energy regulations. Our goal is to support your success and growth. Get in touch with our AIs, Savvy and Atenea, to focus your queries or contact us directly. More information at ilpabogados.com and ilpstartup.com.